The math students will be using Google Earth to measure concentrations of sea ice at the North Pole. The first step would be to download one of the photos from the Cryosphere website that the University of Illinois sponsors. This is a photo from December 7th, 1978, and the dark pink area shows high concentrations of sea ice. After you choose your photo using the time frame from the prompt, you would open Google Earth, and you would need to position the Earth in a corresponding position for the shape of your photo. So I'm kind of using this white area here, the snow-covered country, to position it, and I think that's about right. Okay, this is the ruler tool. It is located at the top of the Google Earth toolbar. You have options of kilometers, inches, miles, etc. For units. For this exercise, of course, you would either use kilometers or miles. Once you choose your unit, then it's a matter of basically carving out areas in geometric shapes to calculate areas of sea ice concentrations. So the large area here is almost in a circle, but you can see these areas that are rough around the edges. So we're going to carve one of those out. We're going to use a path since it's an irregular shape, and using a path you can take your mouse and just click, and it creates the lines for you and gives you measurements as you go, and then you can use your mouse to connect the dots even closer. It gives you the length of the sides. The students can use this and the formula for the area of a triangle to calculate what amount of sea ice was in this area. Then you have an option of saving your measurements, which the students would want to do so that it is now marked that that area has been measured. You can also measure now a circle, and again we're just going to do a path around the area as close as we can, and we're looking at the photo as we go to see how close we can get it. And this is not an exact science, and several students may want to do it on different computers so that you could probably get an average, get closer to what it actually might be. This is a large circle. The circumference of this circle is 9,734.69 kilometers. And using that circumference, then the students could use the formula for the area of a circle and calculate the concentration of sea ice in this area. Again, you would save it, and that way you know that this geometric shape has been calculated. And there are other areas. Here you might have a triangle. Here you could probably make a rectangle. So you could get as many shapes as you could fit into this area so that you can get accurate measurements.